How to recover deleted Telegram channel. So if you want to recover your deleted Telegram channel, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. So here what you need to do is simply tap and hold on to your channel. Here you will have delete option, tap on delete, and here you will have leave channel option. Tap on leave channel, and here on the bottom right you will have undo option. So within 3 or 5 seconds, if you tap on undo, then you can recover your deleted Telegram channel. But if you have simply missed those seconds, then what you can do is go for the search, which is on the upper right, and then search for your channel. Simply enter your channel name. So once you've searched, if you have your channel under your recent, or if you have your channel here after searching, then you can simply tap on the channel, and on the bottom of that channel you will have join group. So you can simply tap on join group and you can join the channel. But if you don't have an option to join channel, then what you need to do is you need to ask a friend to send you the link of that channel. So you need to simply contact with any one of the member of the channel, and once they send you the link, here for example I have the link, you need to simply tap on the link, and here you will have join option. Tap on join, and once you tap on join, you will be joined to that channel. So that's how you can recover deleted Telegram channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.